Hello there. This is my old Shakespeare Ranger Ultralite rod. This is the rod that I was using when I fell and broke my hand. I'm trying to get you to see the crack in it. I don't know if you can or not. But I'm doing the best I can with this camera that I've got. I was using this rod and another reel of mine, and I fell directly on this between me and the concrete, and cracked this rod pretty severely. But the crack is on one side. And the wall of the rod on this side is fine. Now if I flex that too much to try to show you, to try to open that crack up, it might snap clean off. This is carbon fiber, and not carbon fiber, this is graphite. And if you play with it too much, you're bound to break it in half. So what I'm going to do, I have a friend of mine that bought me a nice Fenwick Ultralite, and it is absolutely 10 times the rod this is, at least, maybe more. But this is an old rod that I've had for a long time, and I also kind of want to put a little bit of variety into my fishing channel so that you might see a few different kinds of rods and reels. And the only ones that I got are the old stuff that I used to fish with and what I started the fishing on this channel with. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some super glue, and I'm going to wick it in that crack. But I can't do it on camera because I can't see the crack as well on camera as I can under the magnification of a headset. So I'm doing this video. I'm going to put some super glue all in that crack, and I'm going to let it cure. Hopefully I won't make a big old bump or something like that there. But once that cures real good, I'm going to take it out and fish with it and test it. As long as I don't hang into a 4 or 5 pound bass or catfish or something like that, and I'm just catching ultralight, it's possible that it will hold up. I'm just going to try it because I don't really have anything to lose. The rod is already cracked, so it's not like I'm hurting anything. It's either going to be fixed or it's bound for the dumpster, one of the two. So, we're going to give it a go. We're just going to let that sit and cure up, and then we'll see. It's really hard to see the crack now that the super glue is on there. That's promising, so we'll see. And you'll see me testing this in future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.